Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. What?
Again.
Don't talk like that? Okay, here's the deal. The launch went live a couple hours ago. Absolutely mind-blowing. Blew my mind, blew Bobby's mind, blew Jared's mind. It's absolutely insane the amount of support we got this launch. I almost cried. I've been almost crying. I might cry still.
Let's see you cry.
I don't want to cry. Usually we try to get every single thing out the weekend of the launch. Problem is, I don't think we're going to be able to this time. Everything will probably go out by like Wednesday, but the amount of orders was crazy. Not only that, Jared has not slept in like 70 days, I think 70 or 80 days. So he is currently sleeping. Bobby is exhausted. I'm exhausted. So Bobby and I are going to go to the lake for a couple minutes. Probably drink a Corona. Jared's going to sleep all day. And then we're going to come back and start busting out orders. Okay, I'm going to go jump in the Evo 10. We're going to go up to the lake. Bobby wants to whip the Miata.
What is it?
Holy
what
shit.
Is it?
Bobby wants to drive the S2000, so we're gonna go to the shop, swap with the Evo 10 for the S2K. How in the hell?
Stop.
Never call him freaking S2K Miata again. I'm out. I'm delusional. I need a Corona. Goodbye. Why don't we just whip the bike?
Because I want to whip the Miata, as I would say.
We never get a ride. We don't even have a freaking name for it, dude.
It's been Rachel.
Rape?
Like the R6, Rachel?
That thing is baller. No, I don't like Rachel.
Honey, you probably have a ton of Rachel followers, so we
I'm not saying I don't like the name. I'm just saying this does not look like a Rachel. This looks more like a Raphael.
Or like Rochelle.
Rafiki. This is Rafiki. Come on, Ava. Oh, this is dusty.
Hey, that's actually the best one you've ever done.
That thing's baller. I gotta sell it. I'm selling it.
I'll buy it off you.
Selling it. You wanna buy it? How much?
I'll trade you the STI. Straight across.
That's not a bad trade. It's a decent offer.
Yeah, and I only was giving you 5 seconds, so sorry, deal's off.
No. I'll trade you if you can prove to me you can do a 1 through 4 hit without missing a gear. Full on E, full tilt, balls to the walls.
That's easy. I'm just kidding.
She built. I'm out.
Crap.
Don't you just love race cars?
I love this car. Listen to that turbo slow down.
Will it fit?
What do you mean? Pop the trunk.
What the hell is this? A bracket for your bum? Fire this baddie up. I should probably fix the exhaust rattle on her.
Yeah. Freaking frick. I can't get mine popped.
Why are you shaking?
I'm trying so hard.
Baby, please not all over the seats.
It just went on my leg. I'm trying so hard, I'm shaking.
Track that shoddy.
Mm-hmm.
Do you always snort?
Well, honey,
can you just get out?
My leg caught it. Your seat got one drop on it.
Get out.
No.
Get out and finish that. You fucking drunk ass.
I'm not even drunk.
Apparently off of a quarter of a beer you are. One drop, huh? Oh, well, it was just sure one drop.
Honey, the rest of it is my sweat.
That's a lot of sweat ass. Damn it, Bobby. Sick.
What? How does that even happen?
Fuck this car. I'm selling it. There's no damn space.
And it's a Pioneer sub too. That's why we like it. That's a nice sub.
Not really. It's probably cheap.
Dude, I feel like even you can't even get the sense because there's bags stuffed under there, but there's so many orders. Thank you. That's amazing.
Are you thanking me?
Thank you.
I got you.
Thanks for all the orders, bro.
Nutty. Jared and I took a break from shipping stuff all day and we came to the shop to throw a turbo on his car. He bought a new one and it came in the mail today. And here, I'll just show you guys. This thing is full of like cardboard or dirt on the inside there, which I'm not so worried about that, but it's the oil feed, which is that guy there, and the oil return that is just packed full of like dirt and cardboard.
Bro, you got a turbo in here.
Pretty nasty. I do? Yeah. Pull that bitch down. I have a ton of stock Evo parts over there, and I thought there was no way I'd keep a random stock turbo laying around. But apparently Jared just found one. Does it look bussin'? Is it nice? Like clean?
It looks fine.
Pull that bitch out! Here, let me climb up there real quick. No, you go from that end, I'll go from this end. We'll get that thing out. I'm actually surprised. Are you sure it's a turbo? It's probably like a thermostat. Oh yeah, it's a turbo. Oh, she's got lines on it too. Dope.
She good?
It's so odd. I don't know. Probably. I'll have to take that elbow off. Dude, this thing's tighter than your mother.
What's that off of?
I don't know. I didn't even know I had it. Damn, that's sick.
Oh, thank God, bro.
Yeah, let's take your shitty one off. So Jared's turbo smokes, or his car smokes a shit ton. Like a lot. It's getting really bad. And I think it's because that thing has such a spicy tune on it and it's been on there for a while. Huh. It's hot up here. And because that turbo has unknown miles on it, she's starting to smoke quite a bit, and I think it's because of the turbo. So our plans might work after all.
Right when I opened the box, I'm like, hell yeah. Please tell me that's an Evo 10 turbo.
I'll trade you for your car.
Oh, sick.
Deal?
Just run around with the turbo.
Yeah. We're gonna attempt to fire up the FRS and get it off the lift. Still no base map for this thing. I don't know if it's gonna run too well or run good enough to even drive it, but should we give her hell? Value power, sick battery. That's a Walmart special. Oh, that blue smoke there. Yeah, brother. It's because she built. Not a bad run.
Oh, I was like, why is it smoking? It's the coolant burning. It's smoking like crazy.
Out of the engine bay?
No, out of the exhaust.
Blue or black?
Blue.
For real?
Yeah.
This is all, it's already blowing up. We haven't even tuned her yet. Damn. Holy hell. Not today. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. Nice little puff of blue smoke.
It's getting worse too.
I know.
Last week especially.
It's real bad. You even have oil left in this thing?
Yeah, it's perfect. I checked it before I left, so you wouldn't troll me. I'm like, I gotta make sure it's got oil in it.
Should take way too long to cool down. All right, I think this thing's cooled off enough to start tearing apart. All right, so still a little bit warm, but we can get started. So we're gonna pull off the upper intercooler pipe from here all the way to the turbo. We're gonna pull off the intake, and then from there we gotta pull off the exhaust manifold. So there are 2 nuts, 2 bolts holding the manifold to the turbo, and then probably like 10 nuts holding the manifold onto the head. Holy shit, you're working on your own car for once?
Yep.
Damn, dude.
Trying to. I almost have one manifold bolt off. Fuckers are on there, bro.
Use your muscles, Jared. Are you using a 1/4 inch?
Yeah. Probably shouldn't use that small.
It's a little sus.
Got it.
She busting?
It's very hot.
Imagine that. Sick. We're 1/10 of the way there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that gasket held up.
Yeah, she a little cracked up. Little bummy.
Yeah. Crusty. Ooh, nice. Good old black.
Damn. All right, now we need to get the downpipe off, which is no fun. Or else just disconnect it. And then from there we have oil feed, oil return, coolant feed, coolant return, turbo's off. Sick slotted hole. Overall, that turbo's kind of shitty. Not gonna lie.
It's a little bummy.
So we got the old turbo off, and we are gonna throw the new turbo on. She built?
A lot less broken, maybe not built.
Oh, tight boy.
As long as it stops smoking.
That's all you care about. I feel it.
I can't tell if I smell like shit or you smell like shit.
Probably you.
Probably me.
I pooped my pants actually, so it's pretty. Okay, turbo's in. Jared's gonna go ahead, fire it up. I'm gonna make sure it doesn't leak at all, or we don't have any coolant leaks or oil leaks or any sort of leaks whatsoever, exhaust leaks. And then hopefully she quits smoking on us. Go ahead. Beautiful. No smoke yet, sick. All right, we got it all finished up. I'm gonna go follow Jared, drive behind him, and see if it keeps smoking. Ooh, nice little backfire. The car is still smoking a little bit. It's not nearly as bad as what it was, but I think there must have been oil in the intercooler because I saw oil in the intercooler, piping, and in the intake as well. So regardless, I want to put a catch can on the thing, and then I think that's gonna clear up some of that. But yeah, it's a lot better than what it was, so I think we may have fixed it. I hope we did at least. If not, it's probably gonna need a motor, which I really don't want to do right now. I love me a hatch. Those things are so sick. One day I'll build one. Damn, that looks good.